Let's look at Apple. Only long if 209 holds. Watch with the market. No go under that. So what was the news? The news was Apple was upgraded by Jefferies. Not a tier 1, maybe a tier 2, tier 3, but usually it helps. So Jefferies upgrade. Right away in the opening morning, it was not a long, but at 9:38, I saw the swipe over the clouds. I gave the traders long, 512 call longs versus 209 means that's your risk. So your stops are at 209. You long right here at 2010 and you take it all the way to 213 and your calls return pretty nicely. And there was some unusual flow activity as well. The target I gave me right in the morning was 213. If you see, I gave that target very early and then we hit that target by 10 a.m. So it was basically a morning 10 a.m. trade. So we did sell 60% there. It pulled back. It failed to break out of this flag. So we exited right here at the 512s. Now Apple did give you another repeatable setup right here. This curl, 512 curl. It's a repeatable 3450 setup that I teach you every day. Once you see this curl with the trend line, that's when you want to elongate. Your stops under 3450. You'd make another couple of bucks there on Apple. Beautiful, beautiful trade. What's special about Tesla today? The best thing about Tesla today was we waited for the right entry. So Tesla, quarterly deliveries fall, but production numbers increase. So big move in the pre-market. I said only long the pullback. Cautious, chasing away from the risk, bullish bias, amateur move. So as soon as it started to push, I said do not buy. Second candle, no, do not buy. Third candle, no, do not buy. Now you could buy this 3450 bounce. This was the support area. Could definitely buy that. You can definitely buy that dip and your stops under the cloud. Once you see the swipe up, you could get a good entry at 306.40. Still not bad. You would have to risk like a couple of dollars there. But I gave the entry to everyone when we started to curl. So I said 3450 bounce, the curls versus 306.90. So the long was right here over 308 and the stops were almost $1.30, $1.40. The target I gave was MTF clouds. We pushed really nicely from there into the daily MTF clouds. So 315 was my first target. We hit our 315 target. Then we hit our MTF 316. You made almost $7, $8, risking $1.50. Good risk reward. Options gave you 50, 60%, maybe a little more. After that, it just held, chop up. There was no move. Most of the money was made in the first hour, like I said. And after that, it was just a sideways consolidation. High watch tomorrow for a day 2. If it breaks over 316 and 317, holds that clear level too long. But the important thing was not to buy here. If you bought right at the open, you lost. You lost $1. You lost $2. You lost $3. You lost $4. You lost almost $6 if you just bought here and stopped out here. Those who don't have system, we have a system. We know where our entry is. That's what we got.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.